guys, we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone Air now. No matter which one you guys have, no matter how many gigs it's got, it's gonna have the exact same stuff inside the box itself. Anyways, around the box there's not much information, only on the other side where you guys see the serial number. And to open it up, there are these little tabs that we have to pull on. It's this side and this side. And once we shake it out, there we go. You guys are gonna see that there's nothing there. And there we go. Usually this goes around here, or the phone's placed like that, so you take it out like so. So it is kind of different. This phone, it's really nice, I gotta say. So if you guys are not a huge fan of the other phones, especially the Pros that are much thicker and heavier, then this is the way to go. So this is nice and sleek. And if you don't use video or picture excessively, then this one would just do fine. So this is actually really, really nice. And yeah, we're gonna go through it in a second. Let me just take out the cable. This is the cable that comes with it. Yes, it's a USB-C. And yeah, the iPhone Pro or the iPhone 17 cable would be the same one. So let me just show you around this one. So here's the cable that comes with the iPhone Air. There's no branding around it except for one part. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see that. That's on this side. And if I zoom in just enough, you guys can see that wording there. And it is fairly tough to zoom in that much so you guys can actually read what it says there. But that's the only writing on the cable itself. Now, do you get a SIM card with this? No. You actually get this. This telling you that there's no more physical SIM cards. It's all about eSIM. eSIM is something that's pre-built into this. If you guys had an older phone that has a physical SIM card, yes, you can transfer your phone number in here, but it's gonna have to be through eSIM and not the physical SIM card where you guys just take it out and put it in here. That's no longer the case. And it's very easy. I do have a set of videos so you guys can see how that's done. So for the box, we're done. There's nothing more inside the box, unfortunately. All right, so I'm just gonna take this out so you guys can see and appreciate the iPhone. Now, this is personally one of my favorite models just because it's so slim. So the iPhone Air with this color is okay. I do like darker colors myself, but this one actually goes really well. It definitely reminds me of the older MacBook Airs. But anyways, so that's color, only one there. And then you guys are gonna notice that ports, there's only one port. And that's with all phones, actually, all iPhones, I should say. There's only this port around it. And I'll just take you throughout so you guys can see there's no more ports anywhere else. So that's the only port. That's where you charge it. That's where you sync it with your computer if you want to do that. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see the port right there. Again, it's just USB-C. And the finish, this finish is nice, but once you put a case on it, that's gonna protect it from getting smudges. Because this, although this is a very nice finish, since it's like that, so shiny, you're gonna get smudges on it right away. So that's the only down thing about it. Now, we're just gonna turn it on at this point in time. To turn it on, the button's right here. I'm just gonna show you the buttons actually. So we don't have any, well, this would be the button, this is not really a button. And then right here we have these guys. So that's volume keys, and then that's, well, you guys can customize this one. But generally people use it just to make this not sound. Anyways, we're just gonna turn this on and we're gonna press that button on the side and we're gonna hold on to it until we see an Apple logo. So here's our Apple logo. It's turning on for the very first time. And usually they come with battery. If I ever see an iPhone that doesn't come with, it comes with zero battery, I would actually return it. And that's because they do need to have some charge so that way the battery is okay. So right now it says hello, and then we can just go on with the setup video. However, this is not a setup video. This is just an unboxing for you guys to appreciate the phone itself. And I do have another video that will compare this phone with the other ones, but I'm just gonna quickly show you the difference between this one, just so you guys can appreciate the thickness between this one and another one. Now this one feels the same weight as a 17 and definitely lighter than a 17 Pro. Now here I brought my 17 Pro. You guys can see them side by side. And you will notice that the Air is slightly bigger, well, taller, but the Pro is way thicker. Maybe it's twice as thick. Weight-wise, they almost feel the same, although I know this one's lighter. But anyways, I do have another video that actually goes throughout the differences between all these phones. As far as an unboxing goes, we're pretty much all done. If you guys want to check this out and see it in action, I do have a manual for it. Plus, I have a setup video for this phone itself. So make sure to check those videos out. But as far as this one goes, we are pretty much all done. If you swipe up, just to show you, it's just the setup that we would go through. So once again, this would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.